How's it going, everybody? It's Adam with Max 2 Agencies, and today we have another unboxing for you. Well, kind of an unboxing. It's an unboxing of sorts, let's just say that. So let's flip the camera around and see what we're going to be looking at today. Okay, so here's our unboxing box. So this is a sample from GE, and inside this sample case, believe it or not, is a high bay. And in particular, the Albeo ABV3 series LED high bay from GE. So I'm going to pull all of this stuff out of here and we're going to take a look. So we got the spec sheet right off the top. Nice little display mat for our countertops. That's fantastic. And then, woo, hey, there we are, the LED high bay itself. So I'm going to put the camera down, I'm going to pull all this stuff out, get it situated, and then we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive on the specs for this guy. Okay, so here we are with the ABV3 out of the box. This unit in particular is the smallest unit that this comes in. This is the 50 watt, 9,000 lumens. Overall size, rough dimensions are just shy of 14 inches by 10 inches by just shy of 4 inches deep. So a very small form factor on the 9,000 lumen option. And as you can see, this one comes with a built-in occupancy sensor, and this is all stuff that you can add to the Albeo ABV3 when you specify it. So let's take a quick look at the spec sheet. So spec sheet front, this is the same thing you'll see on the website. All the vital stats on the front, construction, optical systems, all your electrical information, warranty, all that type of stuff. We flip the spec sheet over. Here we get into the configurable part number for the particular options that you'll need. Really cool is that this guy comes from 9,000 lumens all the way to 90,000 lumens. That's a massive amount of light and a lot of increments in between. So you can really customize this high bay to fit any situation you have, from a small warehouse or commercial space all the way up to a big open warehouse like an airplane hangar bay or something like that. Lots of other options too with controls. Daintree, GE's control system gives you a lot of functionality and a lot of freedom to specify controls for whatever you need. So we're going to move over to the lumen chart table. It tells you your lumen maintenance, your wattage, your voltage, all of the stats on how that all plays out depending on what you choose for the ABV3. Some mounting instructions. You have replacement lenses and optics. You have a wire guard. You have different lensing optics and accessories, which are field swappable for your controls side of things. What else do we have? We have all of your different sizes, all the way up to the big boy, the 90,000 lumen option. You have your photometric data, and of course, some more information on controls. And that is a quick look at the ABV3 LED high bay. Of course, if you want to learn more and see this in person, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to set up something for you, your team, or your customers. And with that, I'll sign off and say thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing of the GE LED high bay. Take care.